In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook group. After creating your Facebook account, later you want to create a Facebook group, a common platform where you can connect with fellow like-minded. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Among the list of options here, scroll down a bit until you locate group. In this case, I'm locating it here, so proceed to tap on it. So this will drop you onto an interface like this. Scroll up a bit until you locate the plus icon beside group and tap on it. So you have the option to create a group or create a post. In this case, we are going to tap on create a group, and on this interface I can give the group a name. So let me name this group. So with the privacy, I will have to make sure this is public, then continue to tap on done. After that, all you have to do is to tap on create group, and once you tap on create group, you have successfully created a group on Facebook. You however need to follow the subsequent steps to make your group look attractive to all your audience. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.